drop on this, so.
Good thing I have that med kit.
Alright, the circle's closing in. We just gotta chill right here.
Hey, give me some of that 5.56 ammo.
Okay. There's 127 rounds.
Man, I wish we would have killed them.
Oh shit, dog. Those guys are fighting. I killed one of them. These two guys freaking flipped a motorcycle